Hello, in this video I am going to connect a Esp8266 and I am going to show how we going to send data to an web server. So I am going to make a code, different type of codes. So this is the main code I have written. So here I have given my password for Wi-Fi and Wi-Fi password, Wi-Fi name and Wi-Fi password I have given. This Wi-Fi only you should have connected with your laptop also, so that in coding also you given the same Wi-Fi and password means the data will get into ASP8266 also. So this is the error code. If we are sending some error messages, this code will get uploading. So this is also an error code. I'm giving a two error code. So I'm giving an index.h file. So in this I have declared everything, and web server IP address will be going from here only. So next LED and next temperature dot h. So I am connecting an LED and I am showing a temperature also. So if you are switching on and off the LED in a web server means that should blink in serial monitor also. That should be shown in serial monitor also. So we will see the coding now, working now. So I am uploading the file. Uploading means we are dumping the code into the ESP8266 microcontroller. So if you are after coding got dumped, it will come as done uploading. So let us wait for some time to get uploading. After uploading, it will give an IP address in the serial monitor. After it is getting connected to Wi-Fi only, it will give the IP address. So you can copy the IP address and you can paste it over any Chrome or any other web browsers, so that you can see the temperature in LED. Now I will show you the working. So here it's getting uploading. After uploading, it will come as done uploading. 100% now done uploading. So I'll open the serial monitor now. You will see a connecting to Wi-Fi message, and then connecting to Wi-Fi and connected to Wi-Fi, and then only you will get IP address. So copy this IP address. Now I'm copying this IP address and I am pasting it in Chrome itself. I am pasting it. So if I am getting pasted here means you can see welcome to the home page, LED page and temperature page. So I'm going to LED. So LED is now in off state. So you can see LED turn to. That's all the message. Now I'm turning it on. So after turning it on, I am again opening the COM6 serial monitor. So you can see now here turning LED to on. Now it's in on state. So the message is coming to serial monitor also. Now I am offing the LED. Now it's coming as off, turning LED to off. So this is the connection between web browser and serial monitor. So you can see the temperature also I have given here. Like this is the temperature, web temperature. Okay, thank you. Just easy simulation and a web server connection. Thank you.